All right, we are at the mountain here. Okay, not a mountain, my backyard here, or front yard at the cabin. And we got Wentz throwing snowballs at me. We got Juliana. What are you making? A snowman? Let me see. All right, keep working on it. Looking good, looking good. Just gotta get packed down a little bit better. There you go. There he goes. I should have pushed him. Want me to push you? Oh. Do it faster. Okay, we'll check back with Juliana's snowmaking in a little bit. We got over here, we got another little snowman family going on. And, oh, I thought that was Jacob. Looks like the big one's starting to be formed up there. All right, we're still up at the cabin. Just poured a drink, lit a cigar. Just trying out a Buffalo Trace cigar. I said I gotta try it. You know, Buffalo Trace, oldest whiskey made here in America. Good whiskey, cigars, not bad, smooth. Kids are playing some game. Remember when we were kids, there was a game called Guess Who? Well, they got one now with like dogs, so you guess what dog it is. And Jennifer, we left the ice on the on the counter. Jennifer heard some noise, sound like it was dripping, and she thought it was the roof dripping, so she just had a panic. So our Frosty's still melting. We got a couple little mutant Frosties around the Liberty Creek over here too. Jacob already kicked one of them. So, all right. I'm not sure what the cabin would be like without Starlink today. What are we playing over here?
I'm playing Final Family.
These guys over here. Who's winning? What game is it? Oh, that's Smash Brothers. Get ready. Oh, that's it. All right, the boot dryer. That's the box of the boot dryer, and thanks Pops, because there it is, and we tried it out and it worked awesome. It's got two. I think
I have
Wins,
5
Wins-
cards.
we're playing Uno. It's Party Uno. It's got some new cards. It's kind of interesting. Took me like 10 minutes to read. It is your turn.
Okay.
You gotta get rid of that blue. Get rid of a blue.
I think this one. Ooh. Who is white? Who is turn?
It's your father's. Well, it is now the first of the year. My visitors went home in the morning, and Jen and I are gonna stay one more day. We both have tomorrow off, and as you can see, the snow is melting. It's a beautiful day, and I did test the snow blower. It did work fine. I do want to get the chains. I'm shooting from my GoPro Black 7. I do have the 11 now. I'll probably shoot some footage with that, but I only have one battery. But I bought 3 more knockoff batteries, and they're at home now. Amazon delivered them. Looks like a nice day. It's breezy out. It's a little cool. Yeah. All right, folks. So Jen just beat me in Tetris again. I took a break. I set up the ladder real quick there in the corner because last night I was sitting in this chair watching the fire, and I noticed it looked like there was a wet spot over there, and it didn't make sense. We ran a couple theories of maybe the gutter was causing the snow to back up or something like that, because it's been real warm the last 2 days, and the roof has shed a lot of snow. So Jen's taking down the Christmas boxes. We just took down the Christmas tree and we're putting it away. And so basically, make a long story short, because I just went on a 10-minute rant explaining it, and I said that's too long, I gotta take that down. I went ahead, I moved some insulation up there so I could stick my camera up and see what's going on, because if you've been following my channel and you followed the build, I put the roof on, I put the chimney in, I did all that stuff, and basically the first snowstorm, or the first year of snow, took my chimney off because I didn't have snow brakes, and I had to hire roofers to come out, and the roofers were way too expensive. And now I found out when they put on they didn't put a new chimney on, they just put new flashing on, and they did a shitty job. They torqued those screws down so tight that it probably destroyed the little rubber washers, and now they put a lot of screws into my roof, and a lot of the screws are leaking. So when you have the snow on there, it probably won't leak with rain, but when you have snow sitting and you got real quick warm weather like we did, and so much snow melted, what's happening is it's sitting there and it's working its way in, and now it's dripping. All the screws are dripping. Some aren't, but a lot of them are. And then it drips, and it pulls, and then it wicks its way through the insulation and spots, and I'm starting to see watermarks on the outside. So I think I'm gonna have to wait till spring. I think we'll be fine for rain, but
yeah, it never happened before.
yeah, it never happened before. But with the snow just sitting there, and then the quick thaw out, and it had a lot of time while sitting there, it will work its way in. It's not just like rolling rain. And I think I'm gonna have to wait till spring, because I'm not getting on that roof. I don't have tools with me now anyway. That cold roof, and it's slipping and sliding, and I'm not killing myself trying to torque down some or actually relieve the pressure off a couple of those screws. Maybe next time I'm up here, but I'm just hoping the rest of the winter is cold, the snow could sit up there and not melt, and then we'll just have one good melt like we do every year, and it'll all come off the roof, and that'll be the end of it. And then during the spring, I'll jump up there and probably pull the screws, throw some caulk in it, and then put the drills back in and just torque them enough that I'm not destroying the rubber washer. All right, it's always something, folks. Let me help Jen finish putting away the Christmas stuff, and maybe I'll go at it again in some Tetris. Jen and I playing some Tetris real quick. I'm gonna fast forward it, but this is what we do. It is 70 degrees in here, 37 outside. It's a beautiful day. But for now, let me finish beating her. And that, folks, is the end of the game. I lost because these Tetris bastards always know when to send a piece out that I don't have no place to go and I'm trying to get a Tetris. Damn it. I'll have a rematch. All right, so I'm going to go take a walk down to the creek. A little fire going over here. Let's go see how that creek's running. Yesterday, you can see we were sled riding down here. That's part of a snow, man. Everything melted so rapidly. The ground is taking in a lot of water. So the creek is running. Let me see if I can not bust my ass. Got my muck boots on. Oh, man. I don't think I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom. Check out the little dude sitting on the stump. I'm gonna just go over to the spot Jen likes the best over here. Let me show you. That's why I piled up a bunch of sticks. Oh, it looks like some birds making a nest in it. Oh. I know I said it many times before, but yeah, I'm gonna clean up over here eventually once I get everything else I have on my to-do list done. I'll put a nice bench down here because it's so pretty. Look at that. So come down here, read a book or something. Maybe I'll build a little bridge here. Put a bench on that side. I can't wait to start making more trails on the property. Well, still doing a little stuff around the cabin. We just started another little fire. Just started. Let's see what happens. And Jen's out here. Just cleaned out the fire pit actually. Running out of lighter fluid. Spray this guy, get this thing going. Doesn't want to go. It's cardboard. But it's been sitting out, you know, sitting outside. Getting damp. So hopefully it'll just get hot enough to start burning. See what happens in a second. So yep, so we're up here for today, and tomorrow we'll head back home and then hit the work week running for the new year 2023. Yeah, we got big plans this year. We want to get solar going, so we never have to run that generator again. Well, when it's, you know, we will once in a while, but we want to get the cabin plumbed with water so we don't have to bring up water to shower or wash dishes with, just for drinking water only. And of course, in the winter, because we're not up here full time, we'll have to drain the tanks, the rain catchment system. We'll have to drain the tanks and basically bring up water for just the winter. If we're up here full time, I would be able to have the rain catchment system prevent it from freezing if I was up here full time, but I'm not. What else we got? We would love to put a big shed up over here, right over here. So you have cabin, outdoor kitchen, and the shed. That would be nice. Once I get the shed, I will be looking to get a quad, or ATV, a deck, a small deck right here on the outdoor kitchen, so we can actually sit at the counter and have a little breakfast on nice mornings and stuff like that. What else, Jen? Any other plans up here? No, that's about it. That's a lot. Yeah, if we're able to accomplish that all next year, I'm going to have to start turning a little bit of attention to my house back in Connecticut. We're thinking about either redoing the floors or redoing the kitchen, and then we'll be good to go. I have to try to get a new pickup truck. So yeah, so we got to concentrate on work to make money to do all these other fun things. Fun for me. Many look at it as more work. So that's what 2023, those are Jen and I's plans, goals. We set them and now we have to fulfill them. Anything else, Jen, you could think of? Of course, this is smoking. Maybe get a better wood shed, or basically I got covered the top of it a little bit better. The back maybe, so rain can't get in on it.
Yeah, it's not as protected. So.
Yeah, it used to be protected more because it was underneath the pines. It's a little windy out. So I think we're gonna call a close to this video up at the cabin. This is what we did on our New Year's. We had company, we had a lot of fun. After we're finished with our little fire and have a little snack around the fire, hopefully this thing really starts going, we'll head back in so I could challenge Jennifer to some more Tetris, hang out, have a nice dinner. In the morning we'll pack up and head home and start that work week or that work year for 2023. I want to thank all my subscribers for following us and our adventures. And yeah, we hope everyone had a good New Year's, and best wishes for all of you for 2023. Set those goals, make it happen, get motivated. Say bye to our viewers, Jennifer.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.
All right. Peace out.